In this video, we will explain the importance of Turkish national planes like AWACS and Peace Eagle. The war in Libya is a complex and protracted conflict that involves multiple actors and interests. Among them, Turkey has been a key supporter of the internationally recognized Government of National Accord (NEA), which is based in Tripoli and led by Prime Minister Fayez al-Sarraj. Turkey has provided the NEA with military and diplomatic assistance, as well as humanitarian aid. To counter the offensive of the Libyan National Army LANA, which is based in eastern Libya and led by General Khalifa Haftar, the LANA is backed by several countries, such as the United Arab Emirates, Egypt, Russia, and France, which have different motivations and agendas. In Libya, one of the main ways that Turkey has supported the NEA is by deploying its air assets, such as drones, fighter jets, AWACS, and transport planes, to Libya or to nearby bases. These air assets have played a crucial role in enhancing the NU's capabilities, and in preventing the LANA from gaining an advantage in the air and on the ground. In this video, we will focus on the use of AWACS and transport planes of Turkish aviation in the war in Libya, and how they have helped the NEA and hindered the LANA. AWACS stands for Airborne Warning and Control System, which is a type of aircraft that carries a large radar and other sensors, as well as communication and command systems, to provide surveillance, coordination, and control of air operations. Turkey has deployed its Boeing 737 Peace Eagle aircraft, which is a variant of the AWACS, to Libya or to nearby bases, such as in Tunisia or Malta. The Peace Eagle aircraft can detect and track multiple targets in the air and on the ground, as well as provide guidance and information to friendly forces. The Peace Eagle aircraft has been used by Turkey to support its drone operations in Libya, which have been the main source of air power for the NEA. Turkey has supplied the NEA with its Bayraktar TB2 drones, which are armed with precision-guided munitions and can perform intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike missions. The Peace Eagle aircraft can provide the drones with situational awareness, target identification, and data link, as well as coordinate with other platforms, such as fighter jets and satellites. The Peace Eagle aircraft can also monitor the activities and movements of the LANA and its allies, such as the WE, which has also deployed its Winglung 2 drones, which are armed with air-to-surface missiles and can perform similar missions as the Bayraktar TB2 drones. The Peace Eagle aircraft can provide the F-16 aircraft with radar coverage, target acquisition, and command and control, as well as coordinate with other platforms such as drones and satellites. The aircraft also detected and deterred the activities and movements of the LANA and its allies, such as Russia, which has deployed its MiG-29 Fulcrum and Su-20 Fencer aircraft, which are also multi-role combat aircraft that can perform air-to-air and air-to-ground missions to Libya or to nearby bases, such as in Egypt or Sudan. Transport planes are another type of aircraft that Turkey has used in the war of Libya, which are used to transport personnel, equipment, and supplies. Turkey has used its C-130 Hercules and a 400M Atlas aircraft, which are large military transport aircraft that can carry heavy and bulky cargo, as well as its CN-235 and C-160 Transall aircraft, which are medium-sized military transport aircraft that can carry lighter and smaller cargo to Libya or to nearby bases. The transport planes have been used by Turkey to deliver various types of support to the NEA, such as weapons, ammunition, vehicles, radars, air defense systems, medical supplies, and humanitarian aid. The transport planes have also been used by Turkey to ferry its military personnel, such as advisors, trainers, operators, and special forces, to and from Libya. In conclusion, the use of AWACS and transport planes of Turkish aviation in the war of Libya has been a significant factor in the outcome of the conflict. The AWACS and transport planes have helped the NEA and hindered the LANA by providing surveillance, coordination, control, guidance, information, delivery, and support to the air and ground operations. The AWACS and transport planes have also faced the challenges and dangers of the war, such as enemy attacks, air defense systems, and sabotage. The war in Libya is still ongoing, and the role of the AWACS and transport planes of Turkish aviation is still crucial and relevant.